Don't download Mondaycom Enterprise CRM and Projects app before watching this. Don't download Mondaycom Enterprise CRM and Projects until you understand what you're actually getting. Most people get this wrong. They think Mondaycom is just a colorful task board. But the surprising truth is that the enterprise version is a full-scale operation system. Monday Enterprise combines CRM, project tracking, automation, and reporting in one place. But you won't believe how different it feels compared to the basic version. The templates are deeper, the automations are stronger, and the dashboards reveal insights you probably never tracked before. Before downloading, ask yourself how centralized you want your operations to be. Monday works best when your sales team, your marketing team, and your project team all operate inside the same ecosystem. If only one department uses it, you may miss the true value. Next, consider the automation tools. Monday can automatically assign tasks, update statuses, notify teams, and move items across boards. But here's what most people get wrong. They set up too many automations too fast. This creates notification overload and slows adoption. Start small, then scale. Another key point is permissions. Enterprise gives you granular control, which is great for larger organizations. But you need a clear hierarchy before turning it on. Otherwise, your boards become cluttered and access gets confusing. On the plus side, Monday Enterprise is incredibly visual. Dashboards can track revenue, campaign performance, deadlines, and workload distribution in real time. Teams often report faster communication and fewer tasks once everything is centralized. So should you download it? Yes, if your business wants a unified system for CRM and project execution. But if you only need a simple Kanban board or a basic CRM, you might be paying for far more than you need. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insights before downloading any enterprise tools.